Hey Radisson, I have a market update for you that you might be interested in. So you keep hearing that, holy cow, the market is changing. It's right before pre-recession bust. No, it is in transition. So right now you are spending more days on market. The average days on market right now for currently listed, remove the new construction, because new construction, they typically they're on all the time, right? So that I removed those. They're still available, but I removed those for the days on market. And the current active resale is 50 days for days on market. That's your average. Sold, 62 days. So what is the highest price? Now I only did the previous 35 days for Radisson, and the highest price was $660,000. And that was a resale, not new construction. The average sale price for Radisson was $438,317. Yes, I keep looking over to my screen to give you the accurate numbers. And then the median, of course, $397,450. But here's the interesting thing. The list to sale price ratio, 110%. The average, that was the maximum. The average everyday percentage was 100.9%. And the median was also 100.9%. So basically 101% over 1% over the asking price. So Radisson, even though we're in we'll say transitioning, it is not a free-for-all for buyers, and it is not a seller, I'm just going to give up everything. That's not the case. You have, marketing does become key. So you want to focus more on the marketing aspect. You just don't want to throw a for sale sign and put it on the MLS and wait for people to come. You're going to need a little bit more than that. Also, negotiations. Negotiations are going to be more commonplace right now. Home inspections are going to be more common as well. I was of the mindset, even during a super hot market, of having sellers get a home inspection so that buyers would feel more comfortable in bidding on the property. Plus, a lot of sellers aren't even aware of some of the super easy fixes that can be done that are inexpensive and just add a ton of value. So that was my mindset. So Radisson currently, now this includes new construction. There are 5 active listings out of the entire Radisson subdivision. 5. There's not a lot in Radisson. Currently under contract and pending, 9. And in the last 35 days, 6 have closed. So Radisson, there you go for a little snapshot of what's happening real estate wise. I'm Gwenn McDonald, broker owner of Syracuse Realty. Have a wonderful day.